echoes to be found as well.
This boy is how useless.
As long as there is a concept of victors, the vanquished will also exist. The selfish intent of wanting to preserve peace initiates wars, and hatred is born in order to protect love. There are nexuses, causal relationships that cannot be separated. I want to sever the fate of this world. A world of only victors. A world of only peace. A world of only love. I will create such a world. Things in this world simply do not go as planned. I have come to realize that is true. I am the ghost of the Uchiha, Madara Uchiha.
Naruto. Uchiha Sasuke.
For truly this reality is I.